and we start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. And it says, so topic is most severe. Rabbi Lev said, whoever relates Lashon Hara accumulates sins which reach the heavens. As it is written in Tehillim 73:9, verse 9, they direct their mouth to the heavens. Their tongue struts the earth. Arachim 15b. Okay, so what does it mean? As mentioned above, the sin of Lashon Hara can result in accumulation of the sin greater than the 3 cardinal sins. This refers not only to the sin's severity, but to their punishment as well, right? So, but severity is actually connected to the punishment. The Talmud Yerushalmi Peah 1:1 states, there are 4 sins for which retribution is exacted in this world, while the principle there is a primary punishment remain in the world to come. So punishment here in the world to come also. But I think okay, continue. Idol worship. So he is going to be punished here in the world to come. Here is only interest. There is principle. Immorality. So here he's going to have all these bad consequences, right? Murder and Lashon Hara are equal to all of them. So that's what it's quote from Talmud Peah. In Tana Develi Eliyahu, chapter 15, we read, those who strike their fellows stealthily through Lashon Hara, those who desecrate the name, meaning Hashem's name, in public, those who belittle their neighbors with the words, and those who incite strife, their end will be that of Korach. Regarding them, the Torah states, the earth covered them over, and they were lost from among congregation. Okay, so first of all, when we say that somebody strike his fellow stealthily, it's Lashon Hara, because as our sages said, Rashi comments on the verse, he said, well, what is the difference? He struck him, he killed. What was the difference? Was it from he hid in the bushes, or he just confronted him and struck him? So, and he said that's about Lashon Hara. Okay.